Supreme Court dismisses plea by women officers who completed 14 years in service after the cut-off date for extension of commission. Supreme Court says allowing one batch of officers cannot be done because then other batches can also ask for similar orders. Let's get an understanding of this issue from Meenakshi, my colleague joining me on the phone line. Yes, Meenakshi, if you can take us through the details on the grounds based on which the Supreme Court has dismissed this plea by women officers who completed 4 years in service for an extension of commission. Over to you.
Well, we are in possession of the operative part of what was read out in the Supreme Court's orders today, and it was Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud who went on to observe in this particular order that this plea by women lady officers effectively amounts to a review of the earlier 7 February judgment. The Supreme Court is not inclined to allow this application. Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud also observing, and I quote, "It's difficult to address these matters because they are all in service of the nation. We feel that we should be able to do something for them, but where do we draw the line?" unquote. That is one of the observations that the Supreme Court bench has made today while it went ahead and dismissed these plea by lady officers who have completed 14 years in service after the cut-off date for extension of commission came in. Supreme Court also went on to add, like you rightly mentioned, that allowing one batch of officers can't be done because then the other batches can also seek for similar reliefs via Supreme Court orders. The issue that the Supreme Court today was dealing with, Fiza, was pertaining to a batch of 27 women officers in the army who completed 14 years in service in February. The government instructions to allow permanent commission and extension of service for 20 years only came in March. So that was the catch, and they wanted the Supreme Court's relief or order, which came in earlier, to be extended to them as well.
Yes. Okay, thanks for joining us, Meenakshi, and for giving us a clear idea about the latest developments in this topic.